Hi, today we're going to make these vegan hamburgers. They're 100% cruelty-free, so I hope you guys will enjoy this recipe. We're going to need 1 1/2 cups of black beans and 1 1/2 cups of chickpeas. They have to be really well cooked. They have to be like soft to the touch. We're going to add a small piece of beet that has to be cooked as well, and we're going to put it in the food processor with a bit of water. And we're going to process it for around 1.5 minutes. We're going to stop it, and then we're going to just season it. I use salt, pepper. You can put garlic powder, liquid smoke if you have. If not, you can put smoked paprika. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and whatever other seasoning you want. Then we just turn the processor on again. And then we're going to turn it off, and we're going to add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of mandioca. Then we're going to add 1 cup of oatmeal, and we're going to mix it well. And once it's done, we're going to make the hamburgers. I have this thing to make hamburgers. You guys can do them with your hands or flatten them out with whatever you want with a lid. And then we just place them in the freezer. I put some oatmeal on top so this lid doesn't stick when I take it off. So once we want to cook them, we don't have to unfreeze them. We just leave them like that, frozen, and we put it on a hot pan. It has to have very little oil. We cook it for like 2 or 3 minutes on one side. We turn it over and we cook it on the other side, and they're done. Here, you can put them on bread. You can eat them without bread, however you want. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and I hope you really like it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, and you will help me so much. And don't forget to activate the bell so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye.